Hello and welcome back to another Stove Tuesday video. Today I'm going to see if it's possible to turn this coffee tin into a rocket stove. For this project you will need one empty coffee tin, 6 brackets, 6 rivets, a rivet gun, some drill bits, a step drill, a marker pen and a drill. I'm going to use my pillar drill as it's more convenient and it's here. However, you can use a hand drill or anything you choose. I wanted this build to be as easy as possible, so I placed 3 marks at the approximate positions I wanted to put these to make the pot stand, and then as a measurement guide I just slid this down until the upper hole of this bracket just about came into contact with the top here, and that gave me a height. And I did exactly the same thing at the bottom. The only other 2 marks are 2 holes where we're going to feed sticks. One I want to be a little bit lower and one to be a little bit higher. So I've just guesstimated one just to the left of the writing and below, and one just to the right or on the end of the writing and just a little bit higher. I'm going to be using a 4.5mm drill bit as that's the correct size to go with my rivets. Oh, by the way, here's a top tip for you. If you leave a couple of magnets on your pillar drill, you can keep your chuck key on there or anything else that you need, and you will never lose them. Next we're going to draw 2 pilot holes and then swap over to the step drill and drill 2 much bigger holes. Next we need to drill some holes in the bottom to allow air through and ash to drop out. There was nothing particularly scientific about that. I just wanted a lot of small holes to enable the air to rush up through the middle. Okay, I have a confession to make. I made these holes 4.5mm. It doesn't fit, so I've changed it to 5mm, and so I'll just go through and drill them all a little bit bigger. So there we have it. It's been riveted together and we've got a solid base and a nice wide pot stand. Let's take it outside and see if it actually works. Wish me luck.